Hey, this is Grant. Thanks for joining the stock report. Okay, just real quick, we're going to use 4 ETFs for the big indexes. Well, what's an ETF? Well, it's an exchange traded fund. So you have the big indexes like Comp and like SPX and things like that. Well, I like to use the ETFs for those, which are more of the tradable things for me, okay? So I look at those for gaining an understanding of the overarching market context. So we're going to look at 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? The first one is IWM. That one's going to be around the small caps. What are those looking like? Then the next will be the Qs, QQQ. That one is, again, closely related to what's going on with NASDAQ. Then there's the SPY. I've been using the SPY all the time. And then finally, the Dow Jones. Let's go take a look at these. Ready? Okay, we're going to scoot in here. Now, we don't have to look too close. This is not a big eye test. Okay, which direction is IWM going? Pretty easy to see that channel, right? This baby's going up. All right, let's go take a look at the Qs. Not too hard of a test so far. That's 2 out of 2. Let's look at the SPY. Look at the SPY, though. What happened here with the SPY is it's been more of a recent thing that, look at that, it just shot up. Look at that channel. This was the earlier wedge we were looking at, but now the channel's just shooting straight up. Here is Monday to Friday, a very bullish week. Okay, now let's look at the last one, the Dow Jones. Again, you can see it came and consolidated for a while, but now it's starting to push up outside of its channel. So the overarching market direction is going up. What does this mean to the stocks that represent or comprise those ETFs? Let's go take a look.